Hi everyone, I'm Joe with LuckyVitamin, and I'm here today to talk to you about the man box. Now this is pretty much what it sounds like. It is not a box with a man inside. It is instead a box designed for men. It is filled with personal care and hygiene products designed to help any man establish a simple and straightforward personal care routine. So we're gonna take a look at what's inside this box so you men can start looking and smelling the way you should.
Okay, first we have the Shea Moisture Men 4-in-1 All-Over Wash, which is a shampoo, conditioner, cleanser, and moisturizer. And Method Men Cedar and Cypress Body Wash, which has a pretty fresh scent.
This is my personal favorite, Method Men. It has a smell of cypress and cedar, which is great because who doesn't want to smell like a forest?
We've got Andalou Naturals Men Invigorating Body Wash. This is a 3-in-1.
So also in this box, we have a shampoo and a conditioner by Grandpa Soap Company, which are formulated for scalp therapy. There's pine tar and tea tree oil in there, and those are included as ingredients because they are supposed to nourish the scalp. So this way you don't get the same level of like flakiness, so you don't have like a little blizzard on your shoulders every time you wear a dark shirt. We have 3 samples by Bulldog, which are part of a 3-step regimen for shaving, cleansing, and moisturizing the skin. We also have deodorant. We have a aerosol deodorant spray by Urban Cowboy. That's urban spelt herb. They have also provided us with a milled soap, which I absolutely love. And we've got this Everyman Jack deodorant, which is one of my personal favorite brands because they smell fantastic. And this deodorant works. Natural deodorants do not always work, especially when you're someone like me who tends to sweat a lot, and if you have nervous sweat, it smells bad. This deodorant kept me smelling fantastic all day, according to the people around me, and those are the people you have to trust when it comes to your smell. We also, though, have a beard pomade by OK, and a lip balm by Badger. Now the pomade's fantastic because if you have a beard like a lot of men do these days, you can make it look nice and polished. And the lip balm is unscented because, you know, a lot of men aren't going to want to put on lip balm that has a floral or strawberry scent. So that is what's in the box. It is a $50 value, and we are selling it for $9.99. I personally think that's a fantastic value. So to me, this is a great value, and I think that it is something that every man should experience and try to figure out how not to stink. That's all for the Man Box. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.